good morning. Let's get this up there, and then we should be ready. Some magic keys on as well. Welcome, welcome. Right. Oh shit. There we go. Beautiful. Welcome, welcome everyone. So it is Tuesday over here. Let me just leave this on there, and we're gonna get started. I just took a little look at gold over here. Damn.
Go back to bed. The moves have already happened.
Oh my god, 5, 6 o'clock for gold. Holy shit. Hey, you want to try and catch this? I'm trying to think of where you could have got in. How big are these 50-minute candles? Ooh, they weren't even that bad. So that beautiful cell H4 create a top wick entry as previous low. Is some GJ? Nice. Yeah, I'll take a look at that. But yeah, wow. So it looks like gold finally blasted above. Let's take a look at the daily. Made sense, you know. The last daily over here still closed bullish. Pretty simple. And then this 4 hour just came off. Potential entries that you may have done over here. Probably above this region. So this was a support. Let me just get my annotation tools out. So this level here was held. So maybe a closure above. I don't know why you'd put your stops, but maybe exceeding that high and you would have been good. Took buys from 994 to 2000. Wow, yeah, beautiful. 994 looks amazing. Very, very nice. So let me just get rid of all this. Let me get rid of all this. And we're going to start fresh. Take a look at the news as well. Before we get into this. Right. So, news today, this morning. We are okay. We are A-OK, which is good. Just doing this. Got a beautiful cup of coffee today. Yes. Right, so with that. Okay. So let's take a look at GJ as a whole. So let me just go to this. Actually didn't notify me. That's a bit annoying. So the daily time frame, the last previous one closed bearish again. So if you had to really draw or predict where GJ should continue today, well, you know, what it should do is it should exceed the high of the previous, and it should make a top wick to flip continue. Where should it continue down? Well, to the left hand side. This is where it should be tapping. That's what it makes sense. Also, this last daily candle here closed below here. So that was good. That was the thing that we reacted off at some point yesterday. But it looks like we've closed below that, so looking good. So I like that. So let me just put the daily flip on. Let's also see the weekly. Showing is pretty bearish. Yeah, so pretty bearish as a whole, which is nice to see. Because we do like sells over here. We do like sells. Okay, so this is the daily flip. Pretty nice. Let's take a look at the 4 hour time frame. So 4 hour over here has already made some resistance. Our previous res, which is here, previous support, sorry, made resistance at 151,550. Which is interesting. Let's take a look at the 4 hour now. So the 4 hour looks like it has already came down and tapped the lows. Looks like it's potentially rejected there. Let's take a look at the lower time frames. Yeah, so this current hourly candle pushed all the way down, and now it's just at a 15-minute closure above, which is a bit annoying, to be honest. Entry at 305. Ah, that's where you took your sells. Yeah, nice. Nice work, nice work. Oh yeah, that 15-minute is nice. A bit earlier on, but yeah, it's good. Took profits at 151. Oh, nice. Yeah, 30 pips, easy. So yeah, taking a look on the lower time frames over here, we did actually get the closure, but it looks like we've rebounded off pretty quickly, which is a bit annoying. So this looks like it's the current low, which if we do take sells below this area would be nice. For potential buys, they're going to be interesting. Take a look on the 30-minute. All I'm trying to look at is where resistance is. So you can see there's resistance here, 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 here. So it seems around this level. Okay, so then we drop down to 15 and try and find a clear level where we could potentially take trades above, and it's like there. So there we go, we've got our ranges. So sells below, buys above, and we're going to be pretty nice, I think. No, oh, that's a shame. Always move your TP in case that shit runs. So yeah, it looks quite interesting. Does look better for sells as well if this daily flips, but that was quite a big 50-minute candle coming out of nowhere, so interesting. Yeah, when you got into sells here, you had the 4-hour flip, didn't you? Wait 1 second. Oh no, what the fuck is that line doing? Yeah, you had the 4-hour with you, and you were breaking little minor supports. It was nice. Very, very nice. So yeah, I do think sells below are going to be nicer. So take a look at targets. If we do continue up and pass this kind of level over here, first TP will be 15 pips away, 772, which is here, which makes sense. And then if we do continue, it looks like we've got kind of clean candles to the highs, and we should be coming up to 52087 here. Which makes sense to the left hand side there as well. So beautiful. Oh shit. So yeah, a lot of range to go up as well, which is nice to see. Also such a nice 4-hour breaking retest. Yeah. Oh yes. That hourly as well was nice. Nice there. Good rejection. Okay, so yeah, this is what I'm looking for in GJ. Now we need to find, if we took sells, where are you going to potentially continue to. So let's take a look over here. Let's go down to the left hand side. Okay, beautiful. So yeah, if we do continue down over here, where are we going to continue down? Well, we've got the daily flip. The daily flip looks like a really key level, can you see? Which is where we reacted off. So yeah, definitely below that area would be decent, but it looks like it is quite a hard support. If we do continue down though, we will be coming down to 157.8, which should be here. This kind of area. And the reason why I took that area is because when price broke this yellow line, we came down to support there, we came down to support there, ranged in that area, made a support there. Made some resistances here, so that you can see that this is the next key level. Made some supports there. That is the new key level. So yeah, that should be pretty nice to continue down. But yeah, looking at like on the higher time frame, you can see why we've just reacted off that yellow line. It looks like a very, very big support. So yeah, interesting. Yeah, used that as part of the conference. Nice to retest what it broke. Daily as well, Max showed had a wick retest 4-hour break of structure to come back down to flip the daily. Might range now. Yeah, that was nice. When I was sleeping. Okay, beautiful. Let's just do this right. And then we're going to take a look at gold. And then, yeah. So, guys, if you're new here, make sure to like the stream and subscribe. Let me just update this as well. So, no trades taken today. NY session yesterday was okay. There was one gold trade that, as people call, but apart from that, GG wasn't the best in that area, which is fine. So, yeah, let's go through gold. Gold on 1-hour retest. Ooh, let's take a look. So gold on the daily time frame, very, very bullish. Where we actually came to, we're coming to these highs over here, 2060, which is the all-time kind of highs, which is interesting to see. So let's just put this on. So daily time frame, very, very bullish. Very, very bullish. And the last one yesterday as well, you know, pretty simple. But these candles now, mad. They're so big. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. Yeah, this is when we started pushing up over here, breaking the resistance of the zones. This. say look on the hourly time frame, you can see there we were holding, you know, 1985 to continue up, and that's what we did. We broke above 2002, and then we continued. Take a look on the 15 and the 30 now. We can see that maybe this area here may act as a support later on, 2002, if price wants to continue back down. But for the most part, it looks like we are very, very bullish. So for me, all I'm going to do for gold is wait for some support to form at certain areas to potentially continue. It looks like the hourly over here is exceeding the high of the previous, which is nice. How much would your stops be then if you go down that hourly? Yeah. Oh my god. 80 pip stop for the hourly. For the 15-minute celery play, which is happening right now. Yeah, 55 pips. Yeah, so you kind of missed the move. The moves are down here. That's fine. For me, the pips for the stops are just ridiculous. So, yeah. We'll take a look at AJ as well. But I saw someone already taking AJ over here. Where was it? Yeah, Fahad, man. That's fire. Very, very nice. Yeah, I'll do analysis on that as well, because it looks like that is working very, very nicely, especially recently. Damn. Let's take a look here. How's YouTube doing anyway? Anyone have a good trading day yesterday? Gold's on its way to new all-time highs. Yes. Looks like it. Looks like it. AUD JPY. Who's in today? Is Brian, or did you take a trade yet today? You take the gold sells before. Sorry, GJ sells, yeah. Beautiful. Okay, so AUD JPY. Daily time frame. The last one was bearish. Closed bearish. Sorry, rejecting a certain level. Doesn't mean it's, you know, bearish overall, because why? Well, it's holding still at the key level here. If this daily candle closes below this level, then that's fair enough, because it hasn't respected this, which was resistance, but should act as a support now. So yeah, as a whole, our AUD JPY is kind of bullish as a whole. It's just at the moment we're having a little retest on like the trend line over here. If you've got like a trend line. So yeah, coming back down to retest it, it's fine. But yeah, so the daily at the moment is a bit bearish. Let's just put this on there. A little bit bearish here. The 4-hour time frame is bullish, but only just, and it pulled down quite hard over here. So yeah, looking like a strong 4-hour closure before this. This has got 2 hours and 50 minutes left. A lot of time to potentially continue back down. Let's take a look on the hourly. The hourly is kind of rejected. The 30-minute and 50-minute have both rejected. This is kind of a bit like what GJ's done. Pushed all the way down, and then I've just had some meaty candles to pull it back up, which is quite interesting. So Fahad, when did you get them trades? Let's take a look over here. What day is that? Oh, 1 o'clock Asian session. Damn. Here. Where the fuck was it? Let's look on the 30. Oh yeah. Is it on the 30? Oh, hourly. Here, look at this. Yeah, here. Nice. Right at support as well, man. That was clean. That was clean. I took coffee buys, saw the chart back to it. So yeah, I do think potentially AJ could still continue. It looks like this random candle has came out of nowhere, just like GJ. But I do think if price continues back below this level, 83,940, it could be interesting to continue back down to 83,812. So kind of the small zone, but still could be interesting. And then furthermore to 83,445. But we do think, you know, you got to remember that our JPY is still bullish as a whole. Like, you know, take a look at monthly time frame, still very, very bullish. So yeah, a little correction doesn't mean that much. Yeah, we'll see. Let's take a look. Gold is on its way to new all-time highs. Are you break even this year? This month potentially. February I was a bit in profit. In January I was definitely in profit, but just not a lot. So yeah, we'll take a look over here. Yesterday was a beautiful day though. Finally some trades that looked nice. Oh, 50-minute exceeded the low over here. 14 pips stop you'd have to take. That doesn't look too bad. Oh shit. Let me just move this on there. Yeah, still looks pretty bearish in GJ, which is good. Just had a little bit of a push up. 28 likes, guys. Make sure you like this stream if you guys haven't already. It doesn't take too long. Just whack in some likes over here. So yeah, this kind of candle here, small body, suggesting that price kind of made some resistance. Where did it also make resistance at? Previous supports. So yeah, this could be quite interesting. If you got in on the low, 13 pip stop may have been reasonable. I want to see where this hourly closes, to be honest. On the hourly to close below, which would be nice. So yeah, we'll have to see. Just do one thing over here on my phone. There it is. There we go. So yeah, we'll see. How long left into the hourly closure? Yeah, only like 11 minutes left. Not much time. We'll see. But the daily, if this flips again, looking good. Continues still back down. Just took its little time there, so we shall see. Where is it? Oh, there. Did you guys see nickel? What's that?
Nickel, as in like the metal went from
metal.
20 grand to 100 grand this week.
No way.
Per ounce or something. Yeah.
Fucking
Look
hell.
at the weekly chart and it's just like. I'll see if I can find.
I'll take a
I don't know
look
what
at
it's under. I don't know what the ticker is. But yeah, it's
that.
huge gains.
I wonder what it's after. What was nickel used for? I have no idea what Damn! Nickel spot? Holy shit. Holy crap. Really? Holy... I wonder what it's used for. Nickel. What is nickel used for? It's for alloying elements, coating batteries, and some other uses such as kitchenware, mobile phones. Oh wow, it's pretty much in everything. Shit. Rust free, yeah. Damn. To build them tanks, bro. That's mad.
That's probably that it's just like mainly mined out of Russia or something and no one's buying it or something like that.
Yeah,
would be my guess.
Probably. That's mad. Oh, Ukraine is one of the biggest producers of nickel. Yeah. Shit. That's mad. Pre-market gold $27 up. Yeah, man. Yeah, gold. Gold ran really nicely there just before pre-London. Take a look at the 5-minute time frames and how it like kind of stepped up over here. Wow, look at that. So I had a couple of 5-minute candles just chilling, and one big, 2-3 big ones, and relax, big one, relax, big one, relax, big one. Yeah, I think potentially the closure above that support level, like 1993, 1994 here, was pretty good. 545, I could never have done that though. Can you check my goal ideas for London? Yeah, let's take a look. Better keep a good eye on your cutlery. Oh yes. Oh, shit. Let's take a look at this chart, guys. Yeah, make sure you send me some charts, and we're gonna check Discord in a sec as well. So make sure to put it in there. Okay, entered only on step 2 and closed all in 30 pips. Oh, nice. You actually got a trade over here instead of 2. Beautiful, that area. So that was great. You looks like you planned it all out and you did it well over here. Nice stop as well below that previous zone. Beautiful work. Setup 3 just launched, didn't it? So you couldn't really get that. But yeah, it looks like you planned. You must have driven. I think you drew these before. You planned. You waited for the setup, and then it happened. Beautiful. That's what I like to see, man. People taking trades when the trade comes to them, not just trying to find a trade, waiting for it to come and find the setup they want, and then execute on it. Beautiful. Very, very nice work there. Very, very nice. Oh man, I wish I took that. For fuck's sake. That was nice. 7 minutes before the hourly, looking like the hourly's pushing down over here. Oh man. Yeah. Oh, 14 pips. No. For how long are you a full-time trader? How long do you become one? Being a full-time trader since September. It took me. Well, I was at uni, so kind of like. I didn't have to rush it, but yeah, it kind of took me like 2 years or something, 2.5 years. Back test more this candle formation. Yeah, I've seen this happen recently a lot as well. There's one 50 minutes very, very weak, and the next one just exceeding the low. It was very, very nice. Yeah, I've seen it happen a lot, especially with the 30 in our direction as well, and it was the hourly as well. What happens when it drives past ATH and gold and still drives? What do you look for then? It's empty space to the left. Well, oh, the all-time highs. Yeah, man, all-time highs. If it hits the all-time highs, then you just, I don't know, you just gotta, you gotta just take your profits. Yeah, that's actually gonna be quite interesting. Is that literally the highest you've ever been ever? Damn. I mean, you don't have below the 90s, but yeah. Yeah, man, I don't know. You're just gonna have to do maybe psychological levels, or yeah, it'll be interesting to see. Try to ride gold, yeah. Grant, Max, you need to buy a headset with a fixed arm microphone. It can swivel up and down, but yeah. I don't think my microphone's that bad. You're the only one that complains, I swear. But yeah, fair. Maybe later. Maybe later on. So yeah, 5 minutes left for this hourly candle to close. Looking pretty good to continue down. I'm a bit annoyed that I missed that entry, to be honest with you. I think that was going to be quite nice. However, still got a lot of time. It's not even 8 o'clock yet. So we'll see. But yeah, it looks like now the 50 minutes on gold. Damn, looks like it's kind of ranging this area. I missed it too. Yeah, man, that entry would have been pretty nice. Oh, runners would be decent on it as well. Brian, don't tell me you took this trade, or anyone in that chat. 17 pips. Jeez. Max, what's your favorite time frame? I like all time frames because you use all of them in your analysis. But for me, probably 30 minute is pretty clean. 30 minute is pretty clean, to be honest. I think, yeah. You said you'd get a new one. Yeah, I think 30 minute is probably the nicest, to be fair. Look at that 4 hour, man, with resistance. That was tasty. 6 AM. Oof. That's very, very nice. I missed the second move on GJ because I was looking at GU. I need more screens. Oh, GU, you look good. GU. Let's take a look over here. Beautiful, sells below 151, 118. Yeah, looks nice, looks nice. Looks like someone's over here taking some gold shorts later on in the day. But yeah, looks good. Potential sells below. My only issue, as I said, was the left hand side in this area. was a bit bad. But anyway, it looks tasty now. If you get a closure below. So yeah. 24 pip zone. So yeah, we'll see. We will see. Kind of want to check GU as well, but let's take a look at this 4 hour now. Yeah. It is looking pretty nice. Flip the daily time frame again. It's just this candle coming out of nowhere was annoying. GU broke below 139 and is now moving in a nice pattern. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Take a look at GU, yeah. GU. Let me get a drink of water over here. And the hourly? Yeah, hourly looks nice to continue down. A bit like GJ, but look. Oh, GJ reacted on that level. Yeah, for me, so this is why I'm being a bit cautious in this level. I kind of wanted to get him a bit higher. That's why I'm a bit annoyed I missed that move, because look on the left. Look at this area here. We really respect this level, so I'm a bit cautious in this area, to be honest with you. Because I've literally got data showing that this level that we keep on tapping is being rejected multiple times. I don't want to be caught in that, so yeah, we'll see. Looking like it's reacting off it anyway. For me, I'd rather have got in a bit earlier, like there, and then rid it all the way back down. But anyway, can't do much about that at the moment. So yeah, closing. Look at that 5-minute time frame, tapping our support level and reacting straight off it. So if you draw your lines and like these things happen where like price rejects off it, you know, you've got really good solid support and resistance lines. Always feels good when it does that. When you change through time frames, how do you get your screen to stay? Mine resets and I have to scroll it back into it. Oh, I don't know. Well, like just like this. Like change a few time frames. I don't know. No idea. Let me just move this here. Our JPY is just 50 hourly again. Yeah, it's kind of a situation from all these pairs over here. Had a little bit of a pull up in the previous 30 minute. Yeah, for me now, this is just in an area that is difficult to get into sells here. I'm just a bit cautious of that. But yeah, we'll see. Are you a funded trader or do you use your own capital? Use my own capital. Yeah, I use a funded thing for like 7-8 months, but they have been eradicated now. So yeah, I think they were not doing something right in Canada and they got done for stuff. I don't really know, to be honest, but that's what I heard. So yeah, let me just move this over here. We just can't see him, bro. Yeah. So yeah, we'll see. But look at this 5-minute over here, still tapping this area, being a bit cautious with these sells. You know what I've realized, especially recently in these times, is that if you don't have enough volume to break below and stuff, it makes it a lot harder to take sells. I'd rather get in a bit lower when we've broken them lows. So yeah, look, the hourly over here didn't close below. It didn't even close below the yellow line, which we know is the very key level. So yeah, I'm not too happy with that, for sure. Especially to the left hand side. Yeah. It's just taking a look at these charts here. If you had to pick, I suppose this was in a bearish trend. This was kind of bullish. It did break it here. It did break it here. But most times it did react off it, which is a bit annoying. But anyway, I'll just wait for a nice solid closure below. I'm not really too bothered getting in too early. I'd rather wait a bit lower. So open of the hourly over here, wicked stuff. Looking very, very interesting to start the day off. Rejected the highs. I like that top wick happened at 6 AM. So if you got that trade earlier on, like here, wait, sorry, on the 30-minute here, yeah, nice, because this top wick was so nice. I mean, the stop was quite big, but yeah. So 8 o'clock open for Goldie as well. As I say, gold now, I mean, it's kind of done the move. You've got to wait for it to relax, potentially to buy later on at a good, reasonable price for NY to then push it again. So it may launch up another fucking 200 pips, but for me, I have a feeling that price may relax a certain area and then make some support. When you get the confirmation that we're rejecting, then a nice buy there would be good, I think. So coming down to this yellow wick again, I want to see how it reacts on it. When you spend 1,000 for a chance to get a month in. Wouldn't you spend 1,000 for a chance to get 15 to a month in a 200k account minimum? Is this for me? Yeah, I mean, my account size is pretty big anyway, so I'm not really too bothered about the payouts like that. And you just have to stress of the passing it with the times. Like, for example, you know, it's been very, very, very hard recently. I probably would have lost that. Like, what's the point? It just makes it stressful. And obviously a good month, yeah, you'd be amazing, but it's so, sometimes it's really good, sometimes it's not. There's no actual minimum trading days. Yeah, that's pretty good. It's mainly the targets. Like, you don't know how much you're gonna make in the month or whatever. It's just, you know, you can see what you've done before, but it's not guaranteed, is it? For people that don't have money, then fair enough, but I got money. 216 people in here, amazing work. But yeah, looks like potentially, did it actually exceed the high? Yeah, the last gold did exceed the high of the previous hourly, but could not continue after that, which is pretty mad. People who are in the Zoom as well, in the mentorship, in about, like 9:30, 9:45, we're going to be going through a simulation session, which is the first one of the week. Which is good. We're going to do GJ, so that'll be nice. So yeah, guys, if you are in the YouTube and do want to join the mentorship, full webinars, simulations. Obviously, you get NY session, London session. You can talk to me in London session and NY session every single day. It's worth it, man. A lot of content for it. So yeah, make sure to come and join that. And yeah, I'm just patiently waiting for GJ to sort itself out in this area. If you do react off this level or take buys, I'm probably going to be taking buys in this area because it's just a very, very key level that I'd happily react off. Good fun too, exactly, Vincent, man. Trading is really hard when you have to waste all your time at 9 to 5. Yeah, man. You got to do it in the times you can't do it. Yeah. Exactly, Melissa. Exactly. We've got a good squad in, man. It's good stuff. Especially with everyone's ideas. So, like, even with the mentorship here, even if I haven't found a trade, a lot of people over here will be looking for trade. Like, look, all these setups. To be fair, I need to put this link in. Let me do this, because I know a lot of people aren't in here. So, this chart, let's do that. Oh, no, yeah, invite link. Oh, actually, I can't do that on YouTube, or everyone else will join. 1 second. But yeah, let me take a look over here. If you join this, copy link. Then this chat has the setups, so we just look at setups individually. So I'm going to put this in the pinned message over here. Let me just edit it. So we go to the, because I know a lot of people haven't joined this, because I only put it on for a bit. Edit. Here's a new chat. If you, how the fuck do I edit? Oh, there. Okay. Oh shit. I'll sort it out after this. I don't know what I'm doing. I want to make it properly in that pin message. But yeah, pretty good. Check GU. Okay, we'll go through GU, right? Kind of the same situation as GJ. So daily time frame, very, very bearish. It actually closed solidly below this level, 1.31981. Very, very nice. So let's take a look over here and get into analyzing it. So the GU over here, the daily time frame is bearish. Okay, made a top wick as well, already flipping it and already exceeded the low of the previous. So you know, if you're basing your trades off of this, you'd be thinking, yeah, we're looking pretty good for sells, right? Taking a look at the 4-hour time frame. 4 hour, where could you potentially go? Well, 4 hour here is rejecting a certain area of resistance at the top to continue down. Let's take a look at the hourly time frame. So hourly over here, hourly has came up right now. Even though the previous hourly is closed below, this could be just making the top wick to then drive down. This was the previous support area, which is right at the daily flip. Okay, and this is the resistance over here. So if we do flip and continue and exceed the low, we should be pretty good to continue down on the hourly time frame. And now you're just looking, you go, yeah, this is kind of bad price action. Wicks are quite big in this area, but it doesn't mean that we are pushing down nicely. So you got to wait for potential closure below 1.30862 for sure. That's where you'll probably look for. And yeah, someone says £50 a month. Yes. So yeah, that's my analysis on GU. Really, just sells below would be nice and buys above. Let me just put this over here. This makes sense, you know. If you've got to buy above this area, you got resistance there, you should potentially continue back up to at least this level. If you break this level, then we're going to come up a bit higher to them highs. So yeah, that's looking pretty good as well for GU. So that'll be pretty good. But yeah, as I said here, I'm just a bit cautious with this level that this is in. You know, we've pushed down quite a lot, and the yellow line over here looking towards the left is a very, very key level. So yeah, I'm kind of interested about that over here. I'm trying to see where you could potentially get into lower buys, but I mean, maybe if you got a closure of this area, because how big is this zone? Yeah, 25 pips at the high. That isn't too bad. And it, you know, it's a clear support level. To be fair, there's a support here as well. So yeah, maybe potentially above this area, I may try and do it, because this will be a support forming. The only issue is the 4 hour isn't really with me that far, but if we're rejecting them lows again for the third time, we should be good to continue. But yeah, I'm probably just going to wait until we get a closure above 287.
Yesterday on AUD JPY was an amazing trade at 2 o'clock.
Oh, at 2 o'clock was it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's not so much. It's not much volume at London Open for AUD JPY.
Let's take a look at what time.
Now check the pair.
Yeah. So
15 minutes.
What time is it? 2 o'clock.
Let me draw. Yeah, there. Let me draw the line.
Oh, that was fucking nice.
Here, entry here. 10 pip stops, and
yeah,
final TP I think was this level.
Yeah,
35 pips.
Oh, that was nice, man. Look at them wicks as well. Oh my god, AUD
1 hour close right here, and was a support at this line. Yeah, check the 1 hour too.
Let's take a look. Yeah, close below. Yeah, beautiful, man. That is nice. GJ pushing. Yeah. Oh, quite interesting. Yeah, big pushing P. Pushing P. Yeah, so looks like over here we are going to get a closure above this little area. I just have to take a look at stops, which is the only issue I have. Hopefully this next candle can relax a bit and make a nice low wick. If not, then that's fair enough, but that's the only way I could potentially get in over here. The zone to the high is enough as well, so I'm kind of happy with that, which is pretty reasonable. So yeah, let's take a look. Move this down here. Oh, it's a stinking volume coming. Damn, exceeding the high. Where could you put your stop if you're going exceeding this high? Yeah, you just have to have it in the zone. You would have to just have it in the zone. Would that have been the 30-minute flip as well? No. Okay, that's fair. That's fair, that's fair. GJ pushing. Could be pushing, but wait for closure. Yep. So many new traders will jump on buys without confirmation. Yeah. Sells on gold if this 15-minute closes below on wicks and flips to retrace. I mean, yeah, potentially. The only issue is just how bullish it is, man. At any point it can wick back up. But it looks like it has rejected, especially in the hourly, twice now, 3 times. You could maybe take a little bit out, but it's just where's your stops going to be? Your stops are going to be 50 pips in the 15. Even on the 5 minutes, it's going to be like 50 pipperoonies, so. Yeah, the entries on gold have been very far and few, but man, there was one yesterday which Brian got, and I was fucking pissed because it was so good. I was like, no way the stop was only like 30 pips. Like, it's not even heard of right now. Right, okay, so we're pushing way too much in this zone now. There's only 10 pips to the high anyway. Yeah. 4 hours flipped, which is nice again. Dailies flipping again. Past this level, flipped it. I did say this is a very, very key level. So yeah, may wait until 565 over here. A lot of volume coming in. So yeah, interesting.
30 pips on one 5 minute candle.
Yeah, man. At 1 5 minute, yeah, fuck. That was aggressive. That was aggressive. Sells and go. Yeah, that's fine. So yeah, we'll see. Let's take a look on the 30. I may wait for the 30-minute to close, because if the 30-minute closes bullish again, then that would be pretty reasonable. So yeah, people are thinking like why? Because it's going to close above your riskier buy level here. It's because that the stops obviously as well are going to be way too big, and also if I got in on exceeding the high here, the zone is only scraping 10 pips, so that's why. I'm going to quickly go to the toilet, guys. That'll be 2 minutes. But yeah, we'll see in the next 15-minute candle where it's going to close. So it says, ooh, gold. Just a 30 pip move on gold. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Nice. When it broke the hourly low. Ah, yeah. Pretty reasonable. I mean, the only issue is your stops, but I mean, all you have to do is just hope it goes into profit straight away, and then you're pretty much done. Lately, the daily flip zones have been acting like support resistance areas, allowing us to buy, sell at support and resistance. Yes, very, very true. I've seen that happen a lot as well, my man. For sure. Like here, yeah, really respecting it. I'm trying to think of how to get in there, but it's quite hard in the 5 minutes. Yeah. You guys in the chat, what the fuck? Tripod with camera. Max does OnlyFans. Oh god. GA bursting. Ooh, GA. Yeah, looking like a lot of volumes coming in, which is interesting. So yeah, we'll see. Bear's username is Tasty. Tasty. Our JPY, let's take a look at our JPY now. Yeah, our JPY looks like it's in a potential little range now on the 50-minute, also on the 30. So yeah, kind of a bit what GJ is in this area. Just need to wait for a closure above. 30-minute looks like it's potentially going to. A lot of volume coming in over here, especially the 5 minutes. Damn. Yeah, it looks like gold over here is just nutted. So nice. Very nice. Look over here. AJ looks like yesterday in London range. Yeah. Oh yes. GE also coming up to this resistance as well. Could be potentially good to continue up. So if people got into the hourly lows on gold, or even a bit higher up here, you could have just had your stops and just held them in that zone, like 30 pips, yeah. That's what you could have done, but that's basically it. So this is GJ on the 15-minute, buys above 151.576, beautiful. Yep, first TP would be 720, amazing. 884, I think we saw that on the left, there's a little support there, beautiful. Then 152.035, beautiful. Very, very nice. Very good, very nice. Beautiful. Easy, easy, easy. Let's take a look here. The only way for me to enter on this trader GD was to buy on the 15-minute after low wick, 4 wicks in that area. Yeah. True that. True that. I mean, maybe you could have done a cheeky one on the 50-minute break of the previous high here. I was looking at that, but I was like, oh, I'm just gonna wait for the closure. And in the last 5 minutes, it fucking ran up like 300 pips. Yeah. Very good, very nice. Yeah, apparently that guy, he's from Tenerife, and that meme, the guy who does the meme who does that, and he asked for like fucking $10 a picture now. Very good, very nice. So over here, the 4 hours starting to come back up over here and potentially exceed the previous, which would be nice to drive it back up to the current levels over here. So yeah, it could be quite nice. I'm hoping this next 30-minute can relax a little bit, make a nice low wick, but we'll see. Looks like a lot of volume is in here though, so we'll have to see. We shall have to see. Make sure you like the stream, guys, if you're new here as well. It's Tuesday. We're having a great time, and yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We will see. We will see. If you guys haven't subscribed as well already, make sure to subscribe. I do Magic Keys giveaways pretty regularly as well. If you take a look at the YouTube, basically all the money that I make on the YouTube, I just give it to you guys because it's not really that much. So yeah, the more likes you give, the more giveaways you can give, because it puts it on the recommended list. Why the fuck's this not loading up? So coming towards 573 over here. Let's take a look on the 4-hour time frame now. Beautiful, exceeding the high of the previous 4 hour. We should drive up. Yeah, just gotta wait for a little closure. GJ, please don't run away. That's the famous last words of GJ. Oh, GJ, man. This is some news, isn't it? Because gold just dumped and GJ started a fucking pub. Why is this not loading up, man? It would be nice if we can get in a little bearish candle after that one, but both close under and the next one close above. Yeah, that's true. Like a celery. My only issue is this resistance level right here is pretty close now, which is annoying as shit. So dude, annoying. It's the thing, man, a big volume candle like this, when it's a lot of fundamentals driving it, it's very, very hard to take in. You got to get in a bit earlier on with a more aggressive stop. Yeah, we'll see, we'll see. Oh, look at that retracement now. Holy shit. The retracement. Wow, man. GJ really is on some next level stuff today. I can smell a fake out in GJ to drop to new lows. Oh, people calling out some fake outs over here. Well, I mean, if this is fundamentally just a news that's pushing up and it isn't that important, then it should just come back down. But I don't know. For me, reacting on that level, it's done it twice, 3 times, 4 times here, and now pushed off it was good. It's just we have a very strong support in GJ and strong resistance on gold. Gold reached 2020 on August 20 due to COVID. Let's compare these 2 events. Which one is worse? Yeah. Yeah. Well, I think the war is a lot worse than a stupid cough, to be honest. But anyway. So yeah, daily's still quite bullish now. Which is interesting. Nowhere near exceeding the previous high, so it's still, you know, bearish as a whole. But yeah, it looks quite interesting. Weekly time frame flip is at 152. And yeah, look at that retracement on gold. That's what I'm saying, man. If you get into sells, you gotta get in quick, because this shit, get in and out quick, sorry, because it won't stay there for long at all. It'll be there very, very quickly. Damn, 90 pip on gold. Love you, gold. Yeah, Brian took his sell yesterday on gold. Where was it? And yeah, here. That is the first 15 minute high. It hasn't been actually like fucking 60 pips. And then caught, sorry, not there. What the fuck? Here. And closed 80 pips in one 1 minute candle, bro. Nice. Got this gold shelf on the 5 minute 12 R to R. Ooh, nice. Nice work. 12 R to R. She. That ain't too bad. So 30 minute closing in 4 minutes time. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful. 64 likes in here. Amazing good stuff. If you guys did take that gold trade, then well done, well done. Maybe on exceeding the low of the previous 30 minute and 50 minute and hourly levels. Could have been quite interesting. Joey, why do you keep on asking me, bro? I just told you to start. Rewind it. I took that GJ. What? Where, Jason? This one now? How did you get in, Jason, my boy? Minute 4-hour flip. Oh, Jason Bourne. Oh wow, you had to stop below the current. That's cheeky. That is beautiful. Yeah, your runners could be okay. Your runners may be okay, I think. To continue. Max, have a look at meme I sent you on Insta. Okay, let's take a look. Do you like a good meme? Do you like a good meme? Oh my god. Yeah, our fuel's going up. Apparently they said it's going to £2 per litre. How much that is? £2 per litre. My god. That's ridiculous. So big 50-minute candles. How big are these? 30 pip 50-minute candles, man. Damn. Why can't we just buy the fuel from someone else, man? I don't get it. In Austria, it's €160 per litre. Yeah, that's not too bad. This is kind of similar to ours because the pound and the euro are pretty similar, aren't they? Yeah, pretty interesting. How long left for the hourly? Yeah, still got 30 minutes left for this hourly. Issue is this next little zone. Wanted to get in a bit lower, but this is the thing that you can't really do, you know. I predicted this because I said, you know, this looks like a very, very key level that we've been holding for many days before, in the previous to the left hand side, and all I wanted now was a closure right around this area, like this area here, to then continue bullish. The issue is that this candle just flew up, so you can't really do much about that unless you took an impulsive trade here with stop loss in the area there. That's probably what you would have done. So yeah. Oh, gold is continuing. Damn, look at that 5 minute, just came all the way back up and it's a nope. $10 a gallon. Yeah, a gallon. How many gallons in a litre? How many litres in a gallon?
3.8.
3.8.
Oh,
yeah,
UK. Yours is slightly different. I think US gallon is 3.8.
Yeah, that rings a bell to me. 3.8. So you pay $10 a gallon. So fucking hell, man. You guys complain about your fuel. Holy shit. So if you pay, yeah, $10 a gallon. Okay, so that's £7 per gallon. Yeah, that's ridiculous. That is ridiculous, boy. So someone's saying, let's take a look over here. Average in US is $4 a gallon. Oh, average in US is $4 a gallon. Oh my god. $4 fucking dollars for a whole gallon. That's mad. Yeah, so kind of did close above over here. My only issue is the entries and the stops. That is the issue. Look at the hourly time frame. Yeah. That is the only issue. Look at the 5 minutes. 5 minutes don't seem to like this area at all. Yeah, my issue is the zone, as I've said. Still 13 pips. It's just where's my stops going to be? That's the issue. I mean, I could have it there, 472. If this statement creates a nice lower wick, would you put the stop at the low? Yeah, I think that's what I would do. But it's just because the 50-minute candle here is at 30 pips in the candle. So if we only have like a 10 pip stop, is that enough room? That's the only issue. Hourly can still close below. Yep, you're completely right. That's why I wanted to get in a bit lower here, like here. So what you're saying here is that the hourly time frame, still got 28 minutes left. We've got a key hourly resistance right here, which is acting as quite a hard res. Put some of that on. Fucking ball refresher. So 6 pips on the low right now. Yeah, for me it's not nice. I've seen this trap happen quite a lot. I might have to leave it over here. I wanted to get in a bit lower. Let's take a look at gold. Gold's still coming down, tapping 2002, which is the key level before, which would act as resistance, could act as support now, potentially. So that would be interesting to see. Looks like GJ's flipped over here. Yeah, I'm gonna paper trade this. For me, the stops. Stops are reasonable. The only issue was the is it enough range and enough measurement of the stop. Just entered, yeah. My issue is the 5 minutes here. I mean, a 6 pip is probably worth it, isn't it, to be honest? But yeah, I'm not gonna. We'll paper trade it, see if it does work out over here. $1.50 per gallon in South Africa. Jesus Christ, that's horrendously good. Beautiful. So if you got in here now, yeah, should be looking good. Potentially come to 17.20. It's just, is this the lower wick? That is the issue, man. For me, it's not reasonable. I'd rather get in a candle that's pushing than get in an area where it's only made such a tiny lower wick to continue. Might wait for the hourly close. Yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna do over here. I mean, if gold starts to continue back down into this area, then it should push GJ back up. For sure. Our GPY, yeah, our GPY now is kind of ranging pretty hard. 243 people in the YouTube. Amazing work, guys. Make sure to spam this like button and subscribe as well. Russia says it may cut gas supplies if oil ban goes ahead. Ooh. Oof. I mean, I don't know why people find that like a shock. Like, of course they're gonna do that. That's all they've got. That's why they've got you tied to your neck. You need to find the gas somewhere else, man. Yeah, it looks like Germany and that, and all the Euro countries are getting shafted as well for that. Kind of makes sense though. So yeah, it looks like it's hovering in this area now. The 5 minute time frames are not deciding where to go. Another 5 minute closing, bearish. So yeah, better buy a good bicycle. Yeah, 80 likes of you, lovely stuff. Your boy struggling in California with $5.60. That's mad. Take a look. Oh, Sashin. Sashin's been killing it. I'm gold.
Oh, I just took another one.
No way.
Close your eyes and sell.
And Tommy
Finn just
boy.
took that one as well.
No way! Oh, fuck yes, Finn.
Finn just took it.
Yeah! Oh, I was in fucking nearly 6% Jordan and I'm back! Yes! Sorry.
That's amazing. What was the trade idea?
Oh my
You
god,
go-
I can't believe I brought that back. I was stressing.
What did you guys take? On the 5 minute? You guys tell me. That's hilarious. Good on you, Finn. Sashin, come back and tell me what you took. On the 50?
Hold on, let me just turn you up.
Mhm.
One sec, just turn Discord down. Fucking hell. Finn's screaming at me.
right as I hit my stop loss, my stop loss was at the bottom of the wick to fill the with 35 pips, and boom, it hit it, and it ran another 25. I should have fucking left it open.
So the first one was half risk on the 5 minute. Let me put you highway. So I'll show you where it is. So this one here. So this one almost had me. I had my soft strike above here somewhere, above this candle here, and then this was the same trade as yesterday. If you go to yesterday, the sell off.
Oh yes, I remember.
You pushed up. You had like 0 tests down these areas, like none.
Yeah.
And you had this formation. And basically, I took one entry here, thinking that this cleared this wick, these bodies here, or this one here. Then half risk there, and then this one took the next one, and then this one drove.
Is that the one that Finn got as well?
No, Finn got this one, this flip here.
Oh,
I
just
think it was
that flip?
The
Nice.
30-minute flip was a bit higher though, I think.
Let's take a look. Oh yeah. So you had like a 20 pip stop, or just a bit higher, and then it went. Wait, how much did Finn close here, and how much did you close? On that
He closed a lot. I closed like 40 pips, but it was percent risk, so really it's not. It's like 0.6% or something. But I think Finn took it full risk, so he got like
I got 3.5%. Yeah.
Nice. That was good.
6% this week. Not bad.
That fucking top wick was nice as well. Shit. Amazing.
That's why I took it. I was like, oh, I don't know, this could run, and it did.
Nah, Finny, to be fair, you have been, especially I think you and Scott have been looking at them gold trades for a while now. It's just get the balls to just fucking go for it.
Yeah, and I wanted to say to the boys as well, but I was like, oh, I should have though.
Yeah. I'm sitting here, and both Sachin comes out and he's like, "Oh, I'm up 100 pips," and then 10 minutes later, Finn comes out and he's like, "Oh, I'm up 40 pips." And I was like, "Oh, thanks for saying something."
Oh no, Scott got left out.
Sorry, yeah, sorry, boys.
Oh,
that feels so good. I got from getting fucked the other day on my account. I'm so happy I brought it back.
Did you? That is some good shit. Yeah, man. There's gold entries. So, how much did you risk percentage-wise on the high?
Talking to Sachin.
No, you.
Oh, me? No, I got in on the flip.
No, I know, but how much did you risk? Did you have it on here, like a 20 pip stop?
Yeah, I just had the 20 pip stop on, to be honest.
Yeah. Nice.
Which would have sucked if it lost, but
Fuck it. You didn't. You're a fucking winner.
I'm a fucking winner. You're dead right.
So let's take a look at this hourly. Yeah, 20 minutes left. Looking like it's struggling in this area now, which is what I'm saying. You know, I want to get into buys around this area to make it a lot easier when you're coming towards this resistance level, especially in the hourly. It could find you around. Doesn't mean it still can't work. It potentially can. Just may take a little more time. The actual hourly now, sorry, the 15 actually made a bit more of a better bottom wick there actually. That'd be quite nice. Top of the 5 minute candle was a 10 pip stop for 100 pips. Oh, nice. Oh, exceeding the highs over here. Yeah, maybe when this candle actually made a 10 pip stop now, that may be reasonable. When it comes to that wick there, 7 pips profit, probably put stop loss to break even and to try and continue it. Yeah. Well, not 100, more like 80, but the next candle continued down. Yeah, it was pretty good. The 5 minutes on gold have been very nice recently. You just got to be able to get in and hold your nuts. To be honest with you, you can get a lot more of these moves. You just need to have you need to reduce your lot sizes a lot. Really, you can't really have a stacked lot size on this. You just can get fucked. So, but as long as you've got like, you know, a third of what you normally use or whatever, then it's pretty good. Because then you can have like 60 pip stops, 50 pip stops, which isn't actually too bad. So let's see. Look at the higher time frames now on gold. Yeah, so it has pushed up, but has retraced potentially back down to 2000 level. Daily's still bullish, you know, still everything bullish on gold, but Congrats to people taking them little cells over here. Oh my god, this GJ is playing. Yeah, for me, potentially at that high there, up about 6-7 pips, probably would have had stops to break even anyway, because of the zone and how tricky it is. So may have got hit out of break even there anyway, at that point. Ooh. Yeah, it's a shame. GU did not close above. That would be nice as well in GU, because that would mean the 4 hours pushing above previous resistance on the 4 hour, and also the hourly pushing above the zone. Clean candles to the left hand side until, you know, 1.31522. That would be the next zone to go to, which would be very nice. We can take some nice impulses late on gold since we got those clean candles. Yeah, for sure. Let's take a look at Discord if anyone's put any chart in over here. Ooh. Oh, nice. This is US Wall Street. Sammy. Okay, the 50-minute flip and no closure below. Okay, okay. Closure above, waiting for an open for volume. Closure around 100 pips. Okay, so you had to stop. You waited for the low wicks. Wow, that's a tight stop. Holy shit. Ran nicely though. Beautiful. Very, very nice. If you trade US 30, is this time now, like at London Open? Some volume kicking in today for London Open. The good thing is, what I'm seeing is that a lot of volume at 8 o'clock is kicking in now. Today, yesterday, so just to show you a difference over here, guys. And this is for you about your confidence boosting stuff. This is what my webinar this week is all about, is, you know, the confidence, but don't just be like, oh, I want to be confident myself. You know, look at the charts that you're in, and, you know, look at how price is behaving in that certain area. Is that 430? No, 1 second. So let me just show you here. Okay. So, look at the last 2 days. So we got beautiful sells here. Look how nice. Straight at 730. Beautiful work. Same thing here. You know, kind of hard to get in an entry, but it's fine. But what I'm talking about is that, you know, the volume, the momentum, you know, reacts off of support, pushes up beautifully. And then take a look to the last couple of days. This is actually not too bad on that Friday. It did continue down pretty consistently. Then a range, 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 range. A little bit earlier on, had a little bit of a push down, but kind of ranged after. This was a nice drop. I think this is the only nice drop in this kind of area. A little bit of support forming there at 745. Could have been reasonable. A little bit of buys a bit earlier on though, to be honest. And then yeah, so you can see as a whole it's starting to get better over here, which is nice to see. It's starting to get a lot better in the way that price is moving. So it's good. It gets your confidence up, means you can get into more aggressive entries. Oh shit, that came out of nowhere. Is gold pumping up again? Oh yeah. See, so gold's still respecting 2002. So if you just took these gold trades and you're trying to hold this bitch on back down to here, you know, don't be greedy. Look at the time frames. Look at where price can reject. It has to be here. Yes, we could still, you know, continue lower, but this is an area where you got to take your profits. There's no point being 100, 200 pips up in gold and not taking any profits. Useless. Volume is back for sure. Yes! Finally. So, GJ is just closed over here in the 50-minute time frame, bearish. The 30-minute, the issue is what you got to think here. Someone tell me the issue with this now. So if you're looking for sells, what is the issue really? What's the issue on the 30-minute? So the 50-minute close bearish. You're like, yeah, this could continue down. The issue is the 30. That's kind of contradicting. Why is it contradicting? Well, it's because this candle's still open. It's got 14 minutes left. This could potentially be the low. I mean, it doesn't really look like it now because it's pushing down pretty hard. But it could be making the low to then continue up, okay? That is the only issue. GJ is just in a range, that's the issue. Yep, for sure. A range between 151,570, 151,300. This is why I wanted to get in. If you're trading ranges, and you're confident enough to trade ranges, you got to get in at certain times where you're at certain support levels that can hold. Try not getting them into, you know, in the zone. I mean, I know Jason got this trade here, but that was when a lot of volume was in, so that's okay. But now, I think getting into trades in this area, hell no. Maybe closures below 292 would be nice. So let me just change this off. And I'm going to wait for this 30-minute to close. Because then this 30-minute closes, then we'll have a bearish candle, and hopefully if it's below this level, it could be nice. And the hourly could be potentially rejecting this whole area, so that would be interesting. Whilst also flipping the 4-hour again. But yeah, also a bit of caution, because why? Well, the 4 hours exceeded the high the previous, and also exceeded the low. So kind of shows maybe indecision, which makes sense, you know. We've pushed down at the lows, we've pushed up. Shows a bit of indecision, doesn't it? So 15-minute actually closed bullish over here with a rejection wick. The only issue here for potential support forming is just a bit too early on, I think. 30-minute hasn't closed yet in the hourly, so 50-minute is quite a low confirmation. And also the body of the candle was pretty small, so it doesn't show that there's much bias momentum. You want to look for candles that have nice big bodies, because normally when they have nice big bodies, they continue the trend. And there's a lot of volume there, so it makes it a lot easier. GG 30-minute closed bullish. Yeah, exactly, Ravi. Beautiful work, guys. Amazing feedback on the YouTube. I like my candles how I like my woman. Oh, God. Choppy. So yeah, 88 likes. Amazing work today, guys. 243 views. Nice big bodies. That was quite funny. That was quite funny. GU also coming down over here. Let's look at the hourly. Oh, I see my screen is lagging a bit. Don't worry about it. I'll be back in a sec. Let's take a look over here. Don't worry about it. We'll be back soon. We'll be back soon. So gold over here potentially coming back up. 5 minutes pushing back up over here.
Raja took a buy here.
Where?
Check the 30 minutes. I think he's there.
Oh yeah.
Right here.
Yeah. That's where I would have seen. 1994. That area. Yeah. Oh yeah, the 30-minute celery.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was good.
22 pips. Stop.
Oh, 22 pips. Stop. That's what you want, man. Why are they happening at 5:30, man? Bro, like at 5:30, I'm not getting up for that. Like, way too early. Fucking hell, how does...
And then took another one here. Breaking of the high.
Yeah. Nice. Breaking up the high. No bottom wick, just launch, boy. Yeah, that there is probably the best entry you're going to get in a long time because the stop is so nice. That's Putin's alarm clock, 5 AM. Did he hold it on for long, Raja?
No. He closed, I think, everything right here for the first one.
Yeah.
And then close, I think, 50 pips or 60, something like that.
That's fair.
Yeah.
Let's take a look.
It's enough with 50 lots.
Yeah. That was such a nice entry, man. Yeah. He took some gold trades on Monday. And they, yeah, it's interesting actually seeing, because we talked about it with Raja and how he, his actual win rate isn't that good. It's just his he makes so much more than his other ones. What do you say, Brian? 15 pips on G. Well, you got 15 pips on GJ. Don't you fucking dare say that. Wait, Brian, you got 15 pips on GJ. Break of the lows. He isn't replying. He's just closing out his 15 pips. That's it on the 4-hour flip. Yeah, 4-hour flip.
It was such a nice trade, Max. Look at the stop loss.
You used that stop?
Yeah.
Yeah. 5
A little bit up, actually. I put it just under, I'm going to say 6.2. I put it just under 500 level.
Yeah, that's fair.
So it's 6.2 pips.
Oh, you got it on the flip?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty reasonable, especially because the stop as well is above this kind of area here.
Correct.
Yeah. Nice. Mate, amazing start to the day. Jesus.
2 GJ sells, my man. Oh.
GJ sells. Look at that hourly rejection, man. The 4-hour flipping again. That's mad. Look at gold, man. You see that 50-minute high? Yeah. Gold coming back up. Gold playing with people's cells over here. People trying to be greedy. He's going to teach you a lesson. It's going to teach you a big, big lesson. So yeah, 6 minutes left for this closure. We'll see how far we can push down. Yesterday was a great day for me. Caught just 46 pips on GJ. Yeah, it was good. Good day for me too. It was very, very nice. Oh, AJ looks like it's finally pushing back below again. I did think that on the left hand side there's a little support over here. Still look on the 1530. Oh, that was just the current. Yeah, on the 15 here. Yeah. Sells below would be pretty reasonable. The only issue that I have with AJ at this point is the next support here is quite a small distance. It's only like 10 pips scraping it. I took 2 back up on gold. Nice. Caught 130 pips on gold. Holy shit. Everyone's loving Goldie today. Amazing work. I'm just envious of that fucking closure here that Raja took. Oh, that was so nice. Where was it again? I was on the 30-minute, yeah. Oh my god. The celery play on gold is just nice, especially when the stop is that nice. I mean, come on. 20 pips stop. Easily you could get 60 out of that. 1997. He has excellent risk management. Yeah, I think Raja has more of a, because he has more impulses on gold now. He expects his position when he enters in to be in profits pretty much straight away, or it starts pushing in his direction. If it launches, it launches. If it doesn't, it doesn't. And he goes to 20-30 pips and it hasn't launched yet, then he'll just close. But if the price comes back to his entry and then goes in a little bit of drawdown, my guy's just gonna close. Yeah, we've been studying that very much recently. So, and that's how he manages. He just doesn't, when he gets his entry. So Ted will do something different. We've been looking at Ted as well, how he gets his entries a bit further down, whereas Raja's getting in on the push at certain levels, and if it doesn't push and comes back to his entry or goes into a little bit of drawdown, maybe 9, 8, 10 pips, then he's just going to close the whole thing. He doesn't like the drawdown, like, at all. Whereas I know Ted can sometimes hold it a little bit, which makes sense, because when it does push and launch, he's going to make 100 pips, and then when it doesn't, he's going to lose 10 or 15. So it does make sense. I wish Ted would do a signal service. Yeah, it would be interesting to see how you would do it. But that's the thing, I think I genuinely, it would be quite interesting to see how he would do it, because I don't think his way would be able to do it. Like, this is what I've said to like a couple of my members. I can't really write down what to tell you, because it'd be like, right, okay, if this comes back to entry, if this comes back into the 9-8 pips drawdown, then just close over here. Like, you can't really write that when it's happening in front of your eyes. So this is why when we trade gold, we have clear setups and normally get in certain entries and just hold stops. Never let a winning trade go into drawdown in his philosophy. Yep. Oh yes. Very, very true. Wow, so tap the low over here, 290, and now we've traced all the way back up. So it looks like it is just playing in this range right now. Ted said the other day that he was okay when some trades were 10% in drawdown. Yeah. But I think he's saying that because it's probably true, but also he's done it for a very long time, and he clearly is happy to lose it. And also, you don't know people's financial situation. So, for example, if some geezer doesn't really have much money, and he's put some money into an account and he's down 10%, he may be feeling a lot different to someone who's in a nice house. They've got 15 cars. They go on holidays every weekend, and their trading account is 10% of their whole entire wealth. You know what I mean? It's different. It's just a completely different ball game. This is why a lot of new traders think that they've got loads of money in. Like, Ted's money as a whole in his trading account will not be a lot compared to how much he's got in general, because that takes off the risk. It takes off the stress. If you had 50, 60, 70% of your wealth in your account, it's fucking stressful. You gotta save up for the money to potentially afford an account, which won't be, it can still be detrimental, as in it's still money to you, and it still has a bit of value, but isn't enough to crush your finances. Because that's when the stress comes, when you lose, especially when you're learning. Especially when you're learning. So yeah. So 50-minute closing over here. As I said, it's in this zone now. I mean, you could have potentially taken some sells back below, but for me, the zone wasn't really nice enough for that. I have 80% of my money in my trading account. Fuck. Damn. That is mad. That is a madness. Wow, man, GJ is just on some next level shit today. So GJ over here flipping the 30 nearly. Oh, I still got 20 seconds left though. Shit. 20 seconds left. What's Ted's name on IG? Silent in the charts. So 30-minute close over here, didn't close above, and it also closed bearish. The 4 hour now, it's exceeded the high, it's exceeded the low. For me, I'm just going to wait until NY, because I couldn't get the entry here. I wanted to get in these areas, could not get this, and now the 4 hour for me is giving me too many warning signs of where it's possibly going. It's pushing up, it's pushing down, it's not finding a clear direction. So yeah, let's take a look at gold. Gold 30-minute has now just closed bullish. Interesting, to say the least. The 5-minute over here, there's a little minor 5-minute resistance at 2010. But yeah, nothing too serious over here. Let's take a look at GU. So yeah, gonna finish off today with a game of Wordle, guys. But yeah, let's take a look at our JPY. Oh, Audi JPY came back in as well. And GU also pushed back in. So yeah, just trading the zone. Hopefully later on we can get a closure or move above certain levels and we can take some trades in there. So yeah. So let's take a look over here. Oof. Are they too yellow? I can actually see now. I think that makes sense. Are they too yellow?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, beautiful. Do do do. GJ spiked down, then stopped out the buyers, stopped the sellers fly. Yeah. Yeah, man, been very, very aggressive in the way it's pushing. Oh, I should have given 10 pips out there. Holy shit. Yeah, I'm gonna wait until NY. I think that'll be interesting to see. So yeah, let's take a look. Trying to think over here. Motel. Oh. Wow. So E is there. So it must be E. So it must be ED or ES at the end. Oh, there's D not there, so it must be an S. An S at the end. Oh, sweet. Hey, that could work. Jeez. Too easy, too easy.
We're getting too good at this.
Yeah, we are. That took 2 seconds. That took 2 seconds. So yeah, what am I potentially wanting later on? I mean, if price wants to continue in this area, then potentially closure above 151,720. I think that to continue. If not, I'm coming below these areas. Or below 292, then sells below would be nice to continue down. But yeah, as I said, the 4 hour now is kind of in a little zone, and the daily time frame hasn't really given me a real direction yet. So yeah, in it, Brian, 2 wins today, is it? Nice. 2 wins. Look at GU. RGPY. Yeah, beautiful. But yeah, guys, I'm going to leave it off here. Thank you very much for coming on. Hope to see you guys tomorrow. Loads of trades talked about. No entries at GJ for me. Whoever took them gold sells, congrats. And yeah, guys, thank you very much, man. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out. If you guys do want to join the mentorship, I'll put the link over here. We're doing the simulation session in 40 minutes or so. So yeah, thank you very much, Zoom. I'll see you guys in a bit. See you later, guys. Peace out. See you later. See you later, YouTube. Thank you very much, man. Peace out.